Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover Google account without two-step verification. So for this purpose, first you need to open Gmail app on your mobile phone. Then tap on profile button at the top right corner. Once you tap on it, then this will pop up. Here you have the option of manage your Google account, tap on it. Then here you have option of security, tap on it. Then here you need to scroll down. Once you done this, then here you have option of password, tap on it. Then this page will pop up. Here you need to enter random password which you remember or tap on try another way. Once you tap on try another way, this type of page will pop up. Here you have three options: enter your password, use your passkey or get help. So tap on get help. And here you have another option, get a verification code at your other Gmail which you have signed in. If you have not another Gmail or you are not signed in, then tap on try another way. This type of page will pop up. Here you need to tap on continue. Then after 6 hours, you will receive a code at your Gmail, enter it and you will sign in your account. So that's how you can recover your Google account without two-step verification. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching.